bag in it? I couldn't wrap it.
Grab the whole thing. Take a bag too.
Got a bag. It's dual purpose. Oh,
that's
awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, this is, I have a basket that just
That's
has
really
stuff
cool.
thrown in it.
Well, if you're getting into crafts, you're gonna need more than one basket.
Yeah. Oh,
You're gonna
and
need
bookmarks. Ooh, this is a Bible slip cover. I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What do we have here? A Comfort Fit gel thimble. That is good.
I know, and it's adjustable, and it's like gel, so you can. It's not like one you have to.
Oh, needle pullers. That's good. You know what I always need? Oh, I gotta show you.
Oh, I know. Look at her. What is that? It's a
Oh,
magnifying glass.
cross stitch.
It's a magnifying glass, so she can see. Is that the one that has the light on it?
Yeah, and it's got like lights on the side here. So
Are you filming,
if it-
Lila?
Yeah.
I was
Don't go
thinking,
sideways.
you know, electricity went out, and I went, "Hey,
You can't
I can
turn
do
them.
cross stitch because I've got my little miners." Well, my first cross stitches were not as good because I couldn't see the little square. This is beautiful, just what I wanted. Thank
That's
you.
awesome. And it's pink.
Yes.
Can you see the letters and the numbers when you have it on
Video of Nahal swing dancing turns upright. I'm pretty sure it turns upright.
I couldn't make it turn upright.
No, I think you just press play and it turns upright.
Well,
Should I
part
hide
of it
the
started upright,
numbers?
And then I got like all
Or does it
fancy
matter
and
if
went
it's in their
sideways.
faces?
Oh.
And yeah, not good.
I don't think it matters.
Oh, Kathy, that is so
Nala?
beautiful.
I don't think it matters.
Oh, okay. Because they're going to be gone.
Kaylee, the little elf.
Banana.
Aww. And the little girl. And Mickey chasing her.
Now you got to realize, Justin, I'm just learning.
I wouldn't film the whole thing, Nahal.